I just had an incredible 1 hour session with Helmi, and he gave me such clarity in my next steps for my YouTube journey. I've been postponing for months, not knowing what technology to use, not knowing what steps to take, and really just creating all the excuses and reasons why not to start a YouTube channel. He was able to break down my YouTube journey down to three simple phases that actually make sense. One of those was branding, the next was posting on YouTube, and the third was building funnels down the road. He quickly was able to spot some of the issues that I had in my branding and provided me the exact steps to improve my video content and grow my channel, which right now has 6 subscribers, hopefully soon 600. And beyond just strategy, Helmi's knowledge and technology was exceptional. He kind of resolved some of the thoughts and processes that I had had regarding technology and kind of limiting beliefs, needing all of the items necessary to take the next steps. But he was able to simplify it and really just kind of encourage me, get on camera, do the practice, and post videos. And so that's what I'm doing right this second. So if you're a coach or a consultant, I highly recommend setting up a 1 hour call with him and having him walk you through the exact steps that may help you use YouTube as a channel to gain leads, build trust with your customers, as well as just kind of take your brand to the next level.